Is your engine starting slower, running rough, or burning more fuel than it should? Most of that comes from simple problems you can fix fast. Here are 13 methods that restore power, improve throttle response, and make an old engine feel sharp again. The last one is a small detail that most drivers never check, but it can flip everything. 1. Clean or replace the air filter. Your engine breathes through it. When the filter loads up with dust, power drops, fuel use rises, and turbo engines lag. Some drivers think a dirty filter boosts performance, which is wrong. A clean filter improves airflow, acceleration, and noise levels. Open the air box, check the filter, and replace it if it looks dark or packed. Most need changing every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, faster in dusty areas. Fit the correct size, close the box properly, and reattach the hose. It's one of the easiest ways to bring life back into the engine. 2. Clean the fuel injectors. If acceleration feels lazy or fuel economy drops, the injectors may be restricted. Instead of a fine mist, they spray uneven droplets, which kills performance. Additives help mild buildup, but heavy deposits need a professional pressurized cleaning. It restores the spray pattern and gives smoother throttle response, fewer stutters, and better mileage. Every 30,000 miles is a safe interval. It costs less than replacing injectors after a misfire. 3. Remove carbon buildup. Carbon sticks to valves, pistons, and the intake. Short trips and cheap fuel make it worse. This buildup blocks airflow and affects combustion, causing rough idle, weak acceleration, and knocking. Use a tank additive or get a walnut blasting service. Direct injection engines need this more often, usually every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Clean internals give stronger response and better efficiency. 4. Clean the throttle body. Many drivers delay this until the engine stalls or idles poorly. Around 30,000 miles, carbon coats the throttle plate and disrupts airflow. Loosen the intake hose, open the valve, spray throttle cleaner, scrub gently, then let it dry. Reassemble everything tightly. A clean throttle body stabilizes idle and restores sharp pedal response. 5. Clean the mass airflow sensor. This sensor measures incoming air. When dirt coats it, the ECU gets bad data, which leads to rough shifts, poor mileage, and a check engine light. Unplug it, pull it out, and spray MAF cleaner only. Let it dry completely. Do this every 12,000 to 15,000 miles with the air filter service. 6. Use proper fuel. Premium doesn't contain more energy, it simply resists knock better. Engines designed for high octane or boost suffer detonation when fed low-grade fuel, which can crack pistons and damage cylinder walls. Cheap fuel also increases deposits. Use top-tier gasoline and add a cleaner like Techron or Seafoam every few thousand miles. Clean burn equals better performance. 7. Change oil on schedule. Forget old rules like 3,000 miles. Follow the interval in the owner's manual. Modern cars on synthetic oil often go 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Some luxury cars stretch to 15,000 miles. Older engines and severe driving cut the interval shorter. Right timing keeps friction down and protects power. 8. Replace worn parts. Even strong engines lose efficiency when supporting parts age. Old spark plugs, weak ignition coils, cracked hoses, bad belts, and aging fluids all influence performance. Worn plugs alone can cut power dramatically. They are cheap and easy to replace at home. Minor leaks can be reduced with a T205 reseal additive. Fresh parts restore the response you expect. Clean the PCV valve. This valve vents gases from the crankcase. When clogged, pressure rises and causes leaks, poor economy, and rough running. Remove the valve, check for a rattle, clean it with carb cleaner, dry it, and reinstall. It keeps internal pressure stable. 10. Replace a damaged gas cap. A cracked or loose seal lets air in, upsets fuel pressure, and triggers a check engine light. Many faults traced to evap leaks start right here. A new cap is cheap and solves the problem instantly. Ethanol safe caps last longer. Clean the gas cap and filler neck. Dust and grime prevent the cap from sealing. Wipe the rubber ring and the filler neck threads with a cloth lightly sprayed with WD-40. Don't spray directly into the tank. A proper seal stabilizes fuel pressure and smooths engine behavior. 12. Use the correct type of gas cap. Cars use either vented or non-vented caps. The wrong one disrupts pressure and strains the fuel pump. Check the owner's manual and use the right type for your system. 13. Apply silicone grease to the gas cap gasket. The rubber ring dries out over time. A small amount of dielectric silicone grease restores flexibility and sealing strength. Twist the cap on and off a few times to spread it evenly.